not every single video is created equally. Vertical clips, very easy to watch, very easy to digest. So YouTube obviously is trying to do something similar, right? YouTube Shorts, what are these? How do you use them to grow your accounts? I keep getting this question all the time. Jay, how do I grow my YouTube channel? What kind of videos should I be publishing? Should I be focusing on long form content? How do I manage all of that? Because that's a lot of things to record. So in this video, I'm going to share with you one of the easiest brand new features on YouTube that you can use to massively grow your account without spending hours of your time. My name is Jelena Ostrovska from JelenaOstrovska.com, and this is the best place for coaches and consultants who want to dominate on social media. And in this video, we're talking all things video marketing. So if you enjoy this type of content, definitely hit that subscribe button and hit the like if you enjoy this kind of content. So let's dive right into this. Okay, so first of all, what are YouTube Shorts? So this is, first of all, like I said, this feature has been around for a couple of months now, like since the end of 2020. So it is slowly rolling out, and you might have already seen it on your phone already. When you go over to YouTube and you scroll a little bit through your feed, it's not really available on desktop, just FYI. It's only available on mobile. So I'm gonna go ahead and show it like right here on the screen. But basically what it is, essentially, it's 60-second video clip that is filmed vertically. So, you know, no landscape mode like this video right here. And like I said, there is a 60-second limit. And I've already covered this before in this video right here in my social media strategy for 2021. That video is literally taking over, and every single platform right now is trying to compete with TikTok, right? So, and because what TikTok did, they released, 60 seconds vertical clips, very easy to watch, very easy to digest. So YouTube obviously is trying to do something similar, right? So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna kind of show you how it looks like right here, so you know what I'm talking about. So let me go ahead and do the screen share on my phone real quick while we are filming this. So I want to just make sure that it's not gonna be loud, and I'm gonna again see right here. So there is YouTube Shorts. It's short videos, literally that's what they're called. YouTube did not, do anything creative as far as the name goes. And then you just tap and then you see 60-second videos and you scroll through them and you see all kinds of different content. It can be 30 seconds, can be 15 seconds, can be 5 seconds, whatever floats your boat. But I will say it is slightly different than TikTok. It is slightly different than TikTok and Instagram Reels, because I would say it's more educational based, also depending on what your niche is. So for me personally, the way I started using those shorts is I do deliver educational content. So I share different tips, I share different strategies, and I also repurpose some of my old content into shorts because YouTube does give them a lot of organic traffic. So I recently posted a video and it started getting traffic specifically through YouTube Shorts. So that's kind of just so you have an understanding of what's going on with YouTube Shorts. Okay, now what is it that you are supposed to do in order to make sure that your video is considered a YouTube Short? Because not every single video is created equally. Every single video you can upload both from your phone or from your desktop. I personally upload from desktop just because I work with my video editor and she edits them. And it's all based on desktop, so for me personally it's easier. And then I do all of my optimization for SEO, for keyword research inside of my desktop as well. But I record everything using my phone. I don't use no camera for that. Like right now I am using a camera. But for YouTube Shorts, it's very simple. I mean, you don't have to worry about 4K kind of quality or anything crazy like that. You just worry about good piece of content and make sure it's up to 60 seconds. Not more, but can definitely be less. Okay, so as far as what is it that you should do when it comes to optimizing your YouTube short. So here's something to keep in mind. So you do need to have a short title. Again, the short video, YouTube short title, everything is supposed to be short. So keep it very concise and make sure that you just mention your keyword and make the title simple. How to conduct keyword research. Conduct was such a random word that came to my head. How to do keyword research, how to, bake a chocolate cake, how to attract more followers on Instagram, right? So how to get more followers on Instagram in 2021 or something like that. So make it really short and concise. The first 50, 60 characters really matter the most. And what you also need to add inside of your title is you need to add the hashtag shorts. Every single video that you put out, it gotta have that, because YouTube does not immediately see a video as a short, because every single video to YouTube is just like every other video, right? It doesn't see it as anything specific. So you do need to tell the algorithm, hey, this is a short video. So you put the hashtag shorts, and you can see it on my channel. I've had several YouTube shorts published already. Some of them are picking up in the short feed, which is nice. So that's really the traffic that you're looking for. So that's ultimately what you do. The other things that I personally do for my videos as well, for every single YouTube short, is I add the description, but I don't really make it super long. I kind of, I add the description, I optimize for keywords, I do, all the, basic SEO work that I usually do for every single other video. But you don't need to add the end cards to those. You don't have to add, or like end screen, and then you don't have to add the cards. You don't have to do like any of that. I still add them to the playlist. I still add the thumbnail. You don't have to add the thumbnail. I personally do, just because I want my channel to look nice. I do know some people that, just keep it the way it is so people know that, hey, it's, a short video. But not everybody knows that it's a short. So if you do care about the look of your channel like I do, definitely add the thumbnail so it looks nice. But overall, that's really all you have to focus on. So, and just a couple of final tips for you to say. You want to make sure that, first of all, like I said, it's 60 seconds. It is a vertical, so you don't have like any, background, like it has to be vertical, right? You upload it from your phone or from your desktop. It doesn't matter where you upload it from. And, I do add editing personally, like not me personally, my editor does the editing. So we add some text. You want to make sure that your video is more engaging. If it is a special educational video, I would not be doing any kind of dancing on TikTok, on YouTube, just because it's not really a part of my brand. Unless you have a dancing channel, then you can definitely incorporate some dances. And I would also recommend use some, scroll through other short videos and see what other creators are doing. Because I will say this, coaches and consultants like this particular industry that I'm in, I don't really see a whole lot of creators using YouTube Shorts. So it is like fairly fresh. There's not a whole lot of competition in that. Again, depending which niche you're in. So if you have a cooking channel, maybe there is a little bit more competition, but cooking videos really do take off. I do see a lot of them. So that's ultimately what you have to focus on. Keep it simple. Make sure you have a good light. Make sure your phone is vertical. Make sure your audio is clean. And then I will give you one tip at the bottom. Like, make sure at the bottom, let's say this is your video, right? And then on this side, this bottom section, make sure that you don't really add any kind of text, because YouTube does have a subscribe button at the bottom. So you don't want it to cover anything that's, you know what I mean? Like, you just don't want it to cover anything important. So that's pretty much it. If you want more videos around YouTube Shorts, definitely let me know below into the comment section. And if you're curious what kind of equipment that I use for my YouTube channel, definitely check out this video right here that I recently published, where I go over all the technology and equipment. And it's all, I'm doing all the videos in my home little studio, right? So it's nothing fancy. I'm not gonna, overwhelm you with all kinds of technology that costs thousands of dollars. I'm just gonna show you the basic tools that you need to get started and to grow your channel in 2021. So definitely check it out. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, hit that subscribe button down below, hit the bell sign to get notified every single time I post new videos. I publish everything about social media, coaching, marketing, social media management, you name it. And with that being said, I hope this was helpful, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.